day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Callme C8 Max smartwatch, and this time we are going to continue and test the heart rate as well as the blood oxygen monitoring of this new smartwatch from Callme. If you watch our previous video, we tested the heart rate as well as the blood pressure and SpO2 monitoring of the Callme C8 Max smartwatch, and we compared it with a medical grade device. This time we are going to compare the heart rate, the results of the heart rate monitoring with our Xiaomi Smart Band 9, and at the same time we are also going to compare it with our Huawei Band 9. Both are latest fitness tracker from Huawei and of course Xiaomi. Okay, so this one, the Callme C8 Max, we are going to focus on the heart rate and the blood oxygen monitoring. As you can see here, it is equipped with a heart rate monitor and the blood oxygen monitoring. So if you are interested to see the results, whether it is similar to the Huawei Band 9 or the Xiaomi Smart Band 9, watch this video. And still, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Okay, so let's start. But before we wear this properly, let me show you the heart rate monitor. It's not a fake sensor that shows a random number or results for the heart rate, as you can see here. If you are not wearing it, it will prompt this message: wear, watch properly, and try again. The same with our blood oxygen monitoring, as you can see here. Okay, so we have here our Xiaomi and our Huawei Band 9. Okay, let me wear this first, and let's see. We'll have a result. Let's go first with a Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Then to be followed by the Huawei Band 9. Okay, we have here our Huawei Band 9 or our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Let's lock it in. Okay, oops. Okay, so we wear it properly here. Okay, it's now set up properly, as you can see. So let's go with a heart rate monitoring. We have the heart rate, as you can see. Tap on the heart rate, and we have here. I think the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 has a continuous heart rate monitor, but we'll see. Okay, let's check. 7980, as you can see. We almost have the same results, just +1. Now it has the same results. The same. I think they have the same results here. Very good for our Callme C8 Max. As you can see, when the heart rate for the Callme C8 Max increases, it also increases here in our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Okay, so we have the results now. 72, 71. Okay, so that's it for the comparison for the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. How about our Huawei Band 9? So let's have the test. Go back. We have our heart rate here. Okay, it's now positioned properly, I think. Heart rate. And let's see. 75, 79, 78, 74. We have 76, 78, 75. Although it is not close, but it's not that far. The result is not that far. Now 77, the same. Okay, so the last one for here is 77. Again, let's have another test. 78, 79. We have 80, 82. I think the result for our Callme C8 Max smartwatch is much closer to the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. But as you can see here, it's not that far with the Huawei Band 9. They also have almost the same results here, as you can see. 79 is the last one. Okay. Then next, let's check the blood oxygen monitoring with our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. The Xiaomi Smart Band 9 blood oxygen monitoring and the Huawei Band 9 is almost the same when it comes to blood oxygen monitoring. So we will only use the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. It's SpO2. Measure. It's now checking. We'll have the result in just a few seconds. We have 99%. How about for the Huawei Band or for the Xiaomi Smart Band 9? Let's see. 97%, the same as you can see here. Very good. Okay, 98 and 99%, almost the same. Okay, another one. Measure. Let's wait. And we'll have the result. 99%. 99%, 98. Plus 1 minus 1, I think. Okay, so that's it. 98 and 99%. Okay, so far so good with the sensor for our C8 Max smartwatch. Okay, I just want to make it clear. The result for the heart rate and blood oxygen is taken while we are just sitting. I don't know if we are working out whether the result will still going to be accurate or close to the results of the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 or the Huawei Band 9. But if you're just in an idle mode or just having a rest, okay, just sitting, we have a very good result for the heart rate and the blood oxygen. Okay, again, that's it. If you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below. If you have requests, drop a comment below. Again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.